Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today I'm going to be doing a playtime with the Too Faced Life is a Festival palette because festival season is here, it's getting warmer, spring is kinda here because here where I live it still feels like December. And it was snowing last week. Yeah, we're a little behind. But I thought it would be good to review this since, other people have nice weather and are having some fun. So let's get started. So the first shade I'm going to take is called Desert Vibes, and that is the only matte crease color that you'll find in this palette. And it does have a bunch of metallic shades, but there's only two matte shades, which is Desert Vibes and a shade called Young and Free, which is a hot pink color. I'm going to start with the shade Desert Vibes, and I'm going to take that into my crease. So I did forget to put primer on, so I'm going to use the Ally Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to use the Cosemetics Bye Bye Pores powder. And the powder is to set the concealer. Okay, now into that Desert Vibes eyeshadow. I barely swept this eyeshadow across my lid, and it is very pigmented. Next, I'm going to take the shade Young and Free, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner going in. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just blend the two colors together. Next up, I'm going to take the shade Mystic Rain, and I'm going to put that from the inner corner going into about halfway at the lid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Fun to See, and I'm going to put that right here and then blend it down. Next up, I'm going to take the shade called Artist Pass, and don't be scared of it because it is a duochrome, so it's going to look different on the eye. And I'm going to take that under my eyes. And lastly is the inner corners. I'm going to take the shade Beaming and the shade Unicorn Tears, and I'm going to mix those together. And next, I'm going to top it off with some mascara. And lastly, I'm going to take some lipstick. And this lipstick is from the Katy Cat Matte Lipstick line, and it is in the shade Katy Purry. So this is the end result from using the Too Faced Life is a Festival eyeshadow palette. First impression, it is really nice and extremely pigmented. I was kind of looking at this palette like, it might not be that pigmented, but these are actually really, really nice. And the metallic shades in this palette show up really nicely without being wet, because I used all of these shades on my lid today dry, and they look really good by themselves. So that is another plus for this palette, and it does have a interesting smell to it. I can't pinpoint what the smell is, but it just smells really good. And if you own this palette, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But I do think the formula on these are fantastic. Now, the formula is a little bit different from the other Too Faced palettes, like their chocolate bars or their clover palette. They're slightly more powdery than the other eyeshadows. These do fluff up a little bit in the pans, so if you don't like that, then this might not be the one for you. But if you don't mind a little bit of kickback in the pans, then it'll be just fine. But these blend beautifully, but this packaging is also very pretty. It's got a rainbow on it and a gold unicorn, and I think that is very cute. And the packaging is kind of this, like, it's kind of puffy. I can't really explain it, but it's like puffy cardboard, I guess. That's the best way I can put it, but I really like this palette. The mirror inside is fairly nice. I mean, it's a little small, but it will get the job done if you're at a festival or anywhere and you need to just look at your makeup and see how it's doing. As far as color selection, I think it is really well done, except for the green color in here called Fireflies. I feel like that color is a little out of place with all of these other pink colors and purple tones and the blue. I just think that the green is like the odd man out in this eyeshadow palette. But again, it might be a beautiful color. So other than that, the color selection is absolutely gorgeous. Would I say this is my favorite Too Faced palette? Not really. They have better palettes that have more colors in them, which I think is better, but again, I do really like this palette, but it's just not my favorite Too Faced palette. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me in the comment section below if you own this and if you like this palette. Now, I really like it, and it was my first impression, and I'll keep on testing this out, and you never know, you might see it in another video. We'd like to thank you for all the support that you have been giving us with what has been going on in our lives for the past few weeks. It really does help, and we are very appreciative. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family. We post 2 beauty videos a week, one on Mondays, which is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays with moi or my mom. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to our channel. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty and with moi under Emma_and_2004. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in our next Mom and Me video. Bye, everyone!